Video, I'm just going to tell some very important announcements regarding to 30 days of Google Cloud program. So if you are interested to participate in 30 days of Google Cloud program, then this video is going to be very important for you because there are lots of changes made from the Google Cloud for this program. So if you doesn't know this type of things, then there may be some you there may be you face in a problem after completing this program, while getting your swag and different type of other things. Also you may face a problem in between this program also. So if you want to be to participate in this program and wants to get swags after completing some milestones, then this video is going to be very important for you. But before starting, I'm just going to tell you that this is my channel Career Edge, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe it, because there are lots of videos I made on all the videos are educational contents. It is related to internship and also free certification courses, virtual experience programs, as well as swag and different type of other opportunities. So if you connect with me with my channel, this Career Edge, then it will be very beneficial for you. And also if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, there is a link in the description, as well as there is a link of the Telegram group in the description, where I always inform you about this type of changes. But this is very important, that's why I made I think to made video for that. So let's start this video. So here, this is the 30 days of Google Cloud program. As you all know, I made a video on that. So this in this program, the Google Cloud offers some career tracks where you, if you complete that, then there have an opportunity to get some swags, as well as you got very good learning experience from this. So there are different type of changes will be made from 30 days of from Google Cloud for this program, and I'm just going to show you. But firstly, I'm just going to tell you that there is an update on this website, that they update the swags. So you can see here, and also I put this link of this official website of this Google Cloud program in the description. And if you want to know anything about this, then you can surely go on this website and know all about it. But the information I am just going to tell you, which is not available on this website, so please watch this video full as well. So here you can see they updated that there is a Google Cloud t-shirt, as well as there are Google Cloud bags, as well there is a bottle and a Google Cloud sticker pack is there. Next is program syllabus. I already made a video on that. The previous videos fully based on this. And the program syllabus, you can see here, there is firstly track 1, that is cloud engineering track, and there you learn about cloud computing. And second is track 2, that is of data science and machine learning track, and here also you are going to learn about data science and machine learning, how you can implement with Google Cloud and different type of other application and tools as well you are going to learn here. So there is one more important thing, that there is my channel Career Ignite. If you search on YouTube, then you got this channel. You just go and subscribe this channel as well, because after resting in this program, you need to complete some labs. And yeah, for labs, there are lots of students who are very beginner on the QClap platform, and they may face some problem. So I'm just recommending you that go and subscribe Career Ignite channel, because here I'm just going to upload. I will be upload all the labs which is available for this program of 30 days of Google Cloud. So if you subscribe that channel, so it will be beneficial for you. So next thing is, what are the changes will be made for from the 30 days of Google Cloud program. So firstly, this program is going to start from 27th of September, and it will be last till 27th of October 2021. And you all know this, there is nothing changed here, but I'm just going to show you there are different type of new registration key points are there, which you all need to know. So I'm just my PPT is loading. So here registration key point of 30 days of Google Cloud, and just I'm going to show you. The first thing is registration link will be available on 22nd of September, starting 5 p.m. Means the tomorrow at evening the registration link will be provided by your Google Developer Student Community, which is for your college. And if Google Developer Student Community is not available in your college, so go on the website of Google Developer Student Community, GDSC. Just search on Google and search for your location, whichever where you live. And when you search for that, then there will be means different type of Google Developer Student Communities are there. Also for different type of cities there are Google Developer Student Communities. So if you got yeah, just search for that, and if you find any local Google Developer Student Community, just join them and just ask for this program, and they will inform you because they have details about this program as well. And also if you firstly search for the Google Developer Student Community of your college, because they are the key player here for organizing this whole the things. So this is the main important thing, that registration link will be available from 22nd of September. But there are lots of important information which is here. Just doesn't stop this video, please watch this full video, because there are lots of information is available here. So this is the first thing, that at tomorrow 5 p.m. you will get your registration link through your Google Developer Student Community, as and that for that you just join your college student Google Developer Student Community, or your city or your local Google Developer Student Community, and contact them if there is no information not available on their websites. So next thing is here. So as you all know, there is no limitation for the registration for the previous programs of Google Developer Google Cloud. First is Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, as well as this 30 days of Google Cloud program, which is conducted on which was conducted on 2020. That in that program there is no registration limitation, but this time they limit registration to 50K. Means only 50,000 students will be going to participate for this program all over India. So if and this will be means this registration will be in the first come first serve basis. So if you are the first one who register for this, then you reserve your seat. And if you are not active at that time, then maybe you doesn't get your seat. So only 50,000 seats are available, and only those are given preference who are firstly come for and firstly register for this program. So that's why I am telling that the registration will be going to start from tomorrow 5 p.m. and just go and search for your Google Developer Student Community and contact them for the details about this program, and how they will circulate the registration link so that you can register for that for this program. The next thing is the form will be automatically get closed as the limit reaches within a day or even few hours. So stay active. That's I am telling that at the last moment this program will close their registration. So for you doesn't get any problem for this registration process, and all the steps will be go smoothly. For that you just be active at the 5 p.m. tomorrow, or and also just go and search for Google Developer Student Community and in the contact with them, so you got your registration link as fast as soon possible, so that you get registered before this 50,000 students. So next thing is important, this is a very important thing, that is prefer to have a new QClub account. Many of you have a problem, and many of you have a doubt that if you need to make a new QClub account. So this is a very means a basic doubt you have. The important thing is there are two programs which Google Cloud always conduct, that in annual basis, that one is Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, second is 30 days of Google Cloud program, that is this program. So if you participated in any of the program in the past through any QClub account, then you doesn't use that, means you are not if you use that QClub account, maybe you got registered but you doesn't get swag. And there is a very very more chances that you got rejected in the initial phase of your registration if you use your previous qclack account. So it is means it is I will recommend you that you make a new qclap account. Or if one more doubt you all have, that if you participated in any type of challenges which is available on the qclap and you use that account here or not, so you can use that account, because that is challenge, not a program of Google Cloud. That is a qclap challenge, and that is different from this qclap programs. And in the challenges you are going to perform some labs, not any quest or badges. So that's the thing here. You can use that accounts which from which you perform in any type of challenges of qclabs. But if you participated in any type of Google Cloud program which I mentioned early, then you can't use that email account, that id in this program. So be careful about that also. Next thing is important, please fill same email address. Means you need to fill same email address which you are going to use for qclab account for registration in this program as well. So in the when you are going to register for this program, there are two things which is very necessary. One is your email. So when you are the email which you are going to give in the registration form is also means it is not it is not necessary, but it is important that you choose the same email id for both. When you are going to put your qclap profile, they ask only for qclap profile, not for the email id which you use for qclaps. So when you are so make your qclap profile with that email id which you are going to put in the registration form. This is the last, that is has to complete either of the tracks two for prizes, both for additional bonus prizes. So there are two tracks. If you want to complete first track, then there is a only t-shirt and a Google Cloud sticker pack. And if you complete both the tracks, then there is a bonus prizes, that is one of a Google Cloud laptop backpack, and as well as one bottle from Google Cloud. So if you want more details about it, then there is a website link in the description, that is https events.withgoogle.com 30 days of Google Cloud. So you just search for that, or you just click while going in the link in the description, and just go through their website and read all the things which is necessary for you here. So I'm just going to show you what are the things. So this is the website of 30 days of Google Cloud program, and here you can you are they have a full details about the program. And if also you just read this terms and condition as well, because this is also important for you that you read the terms and condition which is mentioned here, so that you doesn't face any problem for in the future while attempting this program. So that's much in this video. I think you got all the details about this, and I think you like this video. And if you got information about, and if your doubts will be resolved from this video, then please doesn't forget to like this video, and also share with your friends this video, they if they have any doubts about this program. And if you'll please share and like and subscribe this channel. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching.